Okay, what's up, y'all? It's Link here with ClickHouse CAD, and let's check out some basic walls. Okay, I got a sample plan over here that I've been kind of messing with. Uh, it'll help us in the visual process here. Now, usually when I'm working in Cheap, especially, I like to kind of have dual windows. I like to have my plan over here that I'm actually doing most of the work from, and then I've got since it's a BIM technology basically, I like to have this over here. That way, it's kind of I can see it coming together visually. That way, uh, I have more as far as error detection. So let's jump into it. Let's see walls. We got the straight exterior wall, straight interior wall, straight foundation wall, slab footing, straight pony wall, straight glass pony, straight half, room divider, so that is wall hatching, and material region. Alright, let's start with the first. And let's draw an interior with a straight foundation. Maybe even slab footing. Pony. Straight glass. Straight half. Alright, now that we have them, let's zoom in. Zoom in here down to our first one here. Okay. Let's also, let me throw it up. Yeah, let's throw it. Alright, let's go to. Boom. Boom. Alright, just so we can see in there a little bit. Alright, our first wall here. Let's select. Boom. It's going to be our standard wall, our exterior wall. And you know what you draw the outer walls of your building, your structure, your design, your house. We use this. Now it can do many different things. It's got a lot of functionality in it, built into it. So you can pretty much manipulate it any way you need to get the desired effect that you're looking for. Let's just take a brief look. We can go down here and we can single click it, which you'll see in the bottom down here. It'll bring up, all these icons. These are the ways to manipulate it. Okay. This is the door. This is what you'll probably use the most if you need to open it and manipulate. All right. Once you open this dialog box, you'll see we have a list of options right here. Structure, roof, da 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 da. That's just detailing it and customizing it the way you need to for your project. And wall rail styles, that's in case you turn it, you can turn it to a half. Materials, it's going to be this outside stuff here, of course, and inside. I can't rotate it with this on. Right, let's go with the outside here. Let's change it real quick just to see how that works. Alright, let's say I'm looking for something. Say I don't want side, and say, I want a certain type of brick. Alright. The burgundy. And we'll okay that. Boom. Now we got brick. Alright. Also, when we have brick, if you look down here, changing it from the dialog has also changed it. So your actual plan file construction document here will reflect that, as well as the model, you know. And you can change it to whatever you want. You can, let's see. Click on this, and we can see what each one of these layers are. Okay, to break the wall down like that, let's go ahead and double click it. All right, if you double click it, it'll bring your dialog straight up. You don't have to go down here and hit the door. Okay. Let's see. Now, you also have a little preview over here that you can manipulate, and you can actually change the style of it right here. So you want a glass house, you want to see through it. It has no framing built into it yet, so it just looks hollow. Glass house, yes. Plan view. That's it in plan view. Right. Color, no color. Fill window, line weights. Right. Now, let's say we need to specify all of this inside of here. Right? Well, how we want to do that? Let's see, structure, wall types. Right? Go to your wall type, and it's a siding 6. Literally, it's going to be an exterior 4 brick. Boom, right there. And you can see it updated on the plan here. Yes, it did. Alright, now let's say we want to manipulate this. We click on define. Alright, go to your wall types. In the dialog, define. Here we are. Brings up another dialog. It's the wall type definitions dialog instead of the wall specification dialog. Alright, now this is where you can set everything. Let's see. Alright, bricks, 3-inch brick, standard, house wrap. That's going to be your Tyvek layer right here. They got it at 0. I mean, you can even specify it if you want. So stuff like 1 or 2 mil. So, I'll put a meter. Look, it'll update to that as well. But you know, let's just. There we go. Alright, we got the OSB 7/16. Trimming. Okay, so interior layers, main layer, front, sweeper, drywall, happy from the inside. Insulation. Do we see any insulation on this plan view here? No, but you can detail that further as well too. And let's say you want to, you know, make a custom wall you might build with all the time. Well, this is where you would set that up right here. All this is changeable as far as the materials, the names, the line weights, and the thicknesses, fill patterns, texture, the whole 9 right here. And then you can come up here, and before you do that, what you would want to do is copy this and then rename it. Boom. The way you kind of like go right there. So yeah. Or go to new. Let's see. New. Okay. Boom. And you can add and delete layers. Like right here, just boom, boom, throw a few of them in there, and you can switch them around to where you need them to go as far as where they'll be placed. Let's see, but this will be your inso layer right here, insulation, air gap. Okay, boom. This would be the brick right here. I'm just double clicking it. Brick. dark brown mix. Okay. Boom. Let's see. Then we'll have the main layer is going to be, okay, this is going to be the exterior right here. So you'll grab this, just highlight it and then go move up. All right. Same thing with this. Move up. All right. Main layer. We're going to have our fur framing, which is 3.5 inches. Brick, 3 inches. Air layer, 1 inch. Okay, down here, now what we'll have is it's going to be a drywall. No, I'm tripping. Oh, there it is. Boom. And let's see this 1 second. So that's how you set a wall up. Completely custom, and you can name it what you want. Let's see, we'll call it dark brick .5 inch. In it. Here it is. Okay. Go to update. Let's see if it did update. Anyway, we get the camera. What is going on? There we go. All right. Let's see if it did. Okay, let's go down here in the plan view. Okay, you can see it updated here as well. This is going to be our footing right there. All right, and you can also manipulate this further. So you know, okay, we're going to have our own foundation plan where the footing will be shown and all that. So for this, you can click on it again. You can go to your door down here. You can double click this, or you can right click it even. There's always multiple ways to get things done. All right, foundation wall. Uncheck that, click OK. It'll take that off, and it'll also take the CAD lines off of the floor plan, so it's not all jumbled up and whatnot. It's a lot cleaner to read. See, and you can see. Let's open it. Wall types, and it's the dark brick 3.5 inch that we just. Okay, so that's how you make a custom wall. These are the wall types. Each of them has its own detailed features to an extent, and if you'd like me to break it down even further, just say so in the comments and I'll get it to you.